The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
You want him turn on his foot, man. His foot, I want him to say no foot and him at work. I love that,
we respect him. I respect him. Yeah.
A young boy, them at watch
Yeah. Cause young boy, they know how to work with you.
Yeah, I walk and beg your money.
Viewers, subscribers, you see the man that you see in the video that is in a wheelchair and working. You see the man that you see in the wheelchair that have no legs and working. I want to say big up and respect to this person. You see me? I want to say big up and respect to this person. I respect this person. See me? This person shown in the video has no legs and is in a wheelchair, but yet still this person find a way to work. You understand? You see me? And yet still you have some big grown people out there who have every part of them, and at the same time them no find a way or them no want a way to work. You understand? Yeah, you have big grown people out there when I want to do nothing at all to earn a living and just expect things to come to them free. You see me? Big up and respect to this person. You see me? I don't know if this person is working for money or not. You understand? But the point is, this person didn't just sit down like that. This person still do something. You see me? So big up and respect to this person. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you know, me have one more video I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show when an elderly lady damaged a person's motorcycle. You understand? And you know, this had happened because of some reason. You see me, I said to you, and I want to make you take a look at this video and then we'll talk a little bit more about it, because you know, I see some things that happened in this video, and those things that I saw, I respect some of the things that I saw that happened in this video. You understand? So I'm going to present the video to you and then we'll talk a little bit more about it after I present the video to you. Alright? Alright, and before I show the video, some of the scenes in it might not be suitable for everyone, so viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Hello! No, we don't say that, man. We don't say that, man. I see your bike. No, let me pay for my bike. No.
Alright.
Yeah, you better pay for my bike. No, my bike. Hey, the money come and play with my bike. I'm going to lock you up.
Lock up my blood clot. Lock up my blood clot.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, the pussy clot.
Let's go now, man.
Hi, boy. Hi, that boy.
I'm going to see police. Auntie, just pull him, man. Jesus Christ. What you want, Auntie? What you want? Give me your money, man. What you want? Auntie, what you want?
Hi, that blood clot, boy, move around there.
What you want? What you want, Auntie? Never give your money, man. What you want? What you want? Never give your money, man. Just cool, Auntie, man. Auntie, forgot it, man. Auntie, forgot it. Why you kill me now? Why you kill me,
I'll
Auntie?
kill your blood clot.
Just cool, Auntie. How much you want?
I'm on this.
Yeah, Auntie, just cool, Auntie, man. I am me, Auntie, and Mama. Just go cool, man.
Blood clot money.
Yes, Auntie.
Pussy clot money.
Yes, just cool, man.
Don't touch me around.
Cool, man.
You got to rock up the mother and your blood clot.
But when I shot in my box and I'm blood, I test him boy.
Cool, man.
Oh!
No, Auntie, I wouldn't make that there.
Let me say sorry, man. Sorry, mama.
Sorry, man.
Oh, and if you say me at the bad bless one have to follow me pussy party now.
Wash up the glass, Auntie.
But that's that blood clot.
Sister, tell me half your money.
Take away your rascal, put in the book.
Sister, come give me half your money.
Take away your rascal. Take away your rascal before 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Keep the blood clot. How much I know? How much I know? I'm going to keep the blood clot.
You go go, man. You go go, man. Sister, come give me half your money. Sister, come give me half your money. Sister, come give me half your money. You go go, man. 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 You go go, Sorry man, we give you the money man. Sorry man.
Take back your money.
Sorry man, it tear up man. Your money, no man. Don't take no more money. Money not take, come on. Remember me telling you. Mama, remember me telling you. When you call me go over here. You tell me sorry mommy. Yeah, me not tell you sorry man. Sorry man. Sorry man. And some people tell me go buy it.
Why then?
No one right.
Look to my right.
No man, we can't get so much. Now go away. Just go down to man. You don't tell me to give you man. Let me give you. We give you man. Just go down to man. Just go down to man.
I will do that take on the create Christ. You're rascal. I bet that keep your blood.
You're good man. You're good man. You're good man.
Go away, lower the man, man. Lower the man, man.
When keep your pussy clot, tell Jesus your father your blood clot.
When you get a laugh up now, we go in that way.
No, but look at the I want to see that here. Yo. So you're right down there to cut the glass. I want blood cry out.
Viewers and subscribers, the first thing I want to say about this video, you see, is that I want to say big up and respect to the person whose motorcycle got damaged. You understand? You see, the person whose motorcycle got damaged, in my point of view, the person did not retaliate in a violent or a very disrespectful way to the elderly lady. You understand? Now, the next thing I want to point out is that whether or not if someone or persons had disrespected or troubled the elderly lady, I do not think she had a right to damage anyone's property. You understand me? You see? Yes, me know so that it's not right for someone to trouble an old woman. It's not right for no one to trouble anyone or disrespect anyone at all. You see me? But at the same time, I don't think it is right for anyone, whether you're young or old, to damage someone's property. You see me, or anything like that. You understand me? Because really and truly, when we see that happen in the video, it was unexpected. You see me? Me never expect something like that from a woman of age. You see me, I said to you, I think that a woman of age should be acting more respectable and should be looking out for the younger generations. You understand me? I mean, even if they're going to be disrespectful to you as an elderly person, I think you as the elderly person should set an example. You see me? So when she go over there and go so pishing and damage the man's motorcycle like that, it's not right to me. You understand? And look at the kind of damage as well. You see me? That kind of damage. A motorcyclist can get a ticket on the road for that, and you can't tell police, say, boy, and your fault is someone damage your motorcycle and you know it's not your fault. You can't tell them that. Once you're there on the road, and if you don't have your headlight, or if you don't have a rear view mirror, if you don't have indicator or so forth, you get a ticket. You see me? Whether if it is your fault or not. You understand me? Some of the times you have officers out there who will be lenient, you know, but what about that kind of luck? You see me? But the point is, when I try to point out to viewers and subscribers, you know, the elderly person had no right to do something like that. But above all, respect how the person whose motorcycle had been damaged react. You understand me? I know that he might feel a way, but you know, I want to say big up and respect to that person. You see me? Yeah, just let it slide, cut your losses. It don't make no sense to say Ray and go put yourself in a problem or so forth. You understand me? Yeah, and again, me now say that the elderly lady have any right to do something like that, you know. It doesn't matter if someone disrespect her or not, or someone trouble her or not. No. You see me? Yeah. I'm going to say big up and respect to each and every one of the persons shown in the video as well. As I say, me can see where these persons have respect for elderly persons. Me can see that. Me can see them have that respect there. You see me? You see me? And surprisingly, you might find for know that all of this you see in the video, all of what you see happen in the video is just considered as a joke. You see me? Because I saw me know some Jamaicans staying there. Some Jamaicans run some very serious joking of yours as subscribers. Like some real serious joke. Them run some jokes some of the times. You think them a fight, but them not fight. You think them a argue, but them not argue. But I just saw them live. You know, that is their way of running joke with each other. You understand? I know a lot of Jamaicans like that for myself. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me just tell you what I think about the video that I just presented to you. See me? You can let me know what I think about that video as well. You know, here's where I believe it. You know, yeah, more as a big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. All right, yeah. You can let me know what I think about both these videos that I presented to you. All right, and alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Una big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.